Hello, you have been sent this video recording tutorial to help you log in to the learning platform for adult education for your maths class. Note here the web address. You will have been sent a link to this web address within an email along with your username and password. When you reach the site, click on Log In here. Use the username and password that you have been provided with. In this example, it is Student 1. Usernames are all in lowercase. Put in the password, bearing in mind that they are case sensitive and usually start with a capital letter, and then click on Log In here. Now, to find your maths course so that you can record your learning for each week for Richard, your tutor. It's extremely important that you record your progress and how you feel about the class each time you visit. And this can now be done online through this learning platform at a time that is most convenient to you. Write in your learning log if you would need extra help with anything, or the bits that you might particularly have enjoyed or absolutely learnt something new. Tell Richard as much as you can about how much you have learnt in the class, and be sure to put in what you'd hope to cover the following week. Click on Learners. Scroll down and then click on Maths. Scroll down and then click on Functional Maths. Here is what you would record for each week about what you have learnt. So we'll look at that now. Click it and then click on Learning Log. And then simply click on Start or Edit My Journal. And then begin to type in the space provided. And when you have put your learning thoughts down, just simply click on Save Changes. And then to go back to the course, look here on this breadcrumb trail and click on FM. And you will be taken back to your course. Here you will see there are progression bars. When Richard feels you have completed and mastered a skill or reached a target, Richard will click on an item in here and this bar will turn green. Using the FM button to go back, you can view your progress whenever you like through the internet. The target is for you to fill up each one of these green bars to 100%. Richard will mark them off as and when you reach your target goals. In here, your goals, we'd like you to tell us about yourself. So what you would do is click on Answer the Questions. This is a one-off process and you have already done it on paper, but if you had a few minutes extra, it would be great if you could complete this for us again. I'm going to click Cancel in this example because I don't need to complete that now, but if you could, it would be great. In here, you can see again your targets. This green bar, the aim is to fill it up for each week when you have mastered a target, and Richard will complete that for you. And it'd be great for you to be able to see how your progression is going as you fill up the bar with green colour. When you finish your session, click on Log Out. It's really important that you complete your learning log each week after each session, and it doesn't have to be on the day of the session. It can be a couple of days after, as long as it's completed on a weekly basis and before the following week's class. Thank you. It's the end of this tutorial video.